Let me go ahead and ask the pros here. I've got a York Centrifugal Chiller YK series, and it's showing the starter module invalid and an X with voltage, current, and temperature for phase A, B, and C. What do you think I should look for here? Homeowner alert! Wait, what? You heard the centrifugal chiller part, right? Hack! Hack! Okay, my bad, guys, for asking a question. Thought this was a place for us to share ideas and kind of work together, I guess. Well, looks like we got ourselves a snowflake, gents. You need a safe space, buddy? Oh, God, I'm funny. All right, let's see here. Let me write something. Hey guys, what kind of boots y'all think I should get?